This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get a Chrysler 300 out of limp mode. Begin by safely parking and turning off the engine for 1 minute, then restart to see if the condition clears. Next, connect an OBD2 scanner to read codes and note P0 and P1 style trouble codes. Always address the root cause indicated by codes before clearing them, and keep a calm, methodical pace while working. Scan for trouble codes and take clear notes to guide your repairs, then compare symptoms to common Chrysler 300 issues like turbo, transmission, or sensor failures. Use trusted repair guides or forums for code specifics and prioritize faults that directly affect limp mode. Inspect related components like connectors, vacuum lines, and wiring for obvious damage. Plan simple fixes first, then address common causes like bad sensors, low transmission fluid, or wiring faults with simple, targeted repairs and replacement parts. When replacing sensors, use OEM or high-quality equivalents to avoid repeat faults and reflash, or reset the ECU if needed. After repairs, clear codes and monitor live data for proper readings, then complete a cautious road test to ensure limp mode is gone and drivability is restored without warning lights returning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.